Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can navigate Roblox Dress to Impress feature for the first time. So this is the Roblox Dress to Impress game where you can explore and customize your avatar with the best outfits and accessories. And the first feature is the DTI settings on the left here. You can change lighting, graphics, and everything. And the second one in here on the left is where you can buy VIP pass. You can change your speed walking, and here where you can redeem codes for cool items. And on the right, you can see what you are wearing by clicking on this button. And the second button is where poses is. When you are doing fashion show, you can select the pose. This is where the event calendar you can see on the right. And at the bottom there is these four buttons, and the first one is where you can change your walk speed, and the second one is where you can do some duet with other players, and the third one right here with the camera icon is where you can capture the game, and the last one in here is where you can change the server type. And I'm currently on the regular server. If you want to change it, you can just tap on join to the server that you want. Okay, so now you can see at the top there's this theme opposites attract. If you don't get the theme, you can click on this with a question mark to see the hints or what the theme mean. To start, I usually change the skin tone, so I'm going to this tube to change the skin tone right here. And if you minutes, just go out, and here I'm going to change or add some makeup by going to the salon. Click on the love icon, and here you can just choose the makeup that you want. Okay, so after selecting the makeup, I usually go to the right side to change my hairstyle. So go to the salon and tap on the love icon. Now I don't know why it doesn't load. I think Roblox is now at like error on my phone, but that's basically it. You can see you can add more than one hairstyle to your avatar if you want to. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and